This is a demo of a chatbot from IKEA. And the first thing that you come across is a QR code that you can extract to launch the mini program. And there's a short menu of a few options like design by room, do product searches. But I'm going to launch straight into the AI design consultant. So this is a way to bring kind of consulting from IKEA's experts to everybody. And let's just start in here. So first of all, the consultant will ask you a few kind of multiple choice questions to make the using of the chatbot at the beginning quite easy. So questions like which room you're going to be decorating and what kind of style that you're looking for. So you can choose vintage, or I'm going to choose something modern. And then there are other types of questions which are more kind of text-based, like which kind of material do you want? If something is not on the menu, you can type it on, like cotton or cloth, and the chatbot will understand these and continue with some other questions. We now ask people things like pricing, what kind of budget they've got, and of course all of this information is tied back in the CRM to a unique ID. We use stickers and other things to make the chatbot more user-friendly, and here we're giving you a recommendation. And you can click on that. It's a normal photo. You can hold it, save it to your photo album, send it to chat, all kinds of different things like that. And after you've looked at that a bit, we ask for your opinions. Up until now, the bot was pretty much menus and things like that. But at this point, we start asking the user for more qualitative, kind of open-ended feedback, and we'll prompt them with a microphone pop-up. So I could, at this point, I could narrow down the search, or I could ask maybe for some other types of items. And so, for example, I've prepared some queries because my Chinese voice is not that good, but like...
我想要一个办公室用的台灯。
So that's asking for some office lights, and we've got a few lamps that have been recommended. You can browse through those. Click on them. Let's ask another.
有没有浅色的沙发？
So asking for a grey sofa. And you can see that the query is in Chinese, but we're also actually translating it and confirming it because all of the data that's in the original IKEA system is in English, so we had to cross-map the sound effects. So let's just click on one of these sofas. If you like it, you can get a little bit of details there, or go to a much more detailed screen. And here we're just showing the information from the IKEA catalogue. It probably could be a little bit more interesting. There's cross-selling of other similar items at the bottom. If you like that item, you can share it, you can add it back into your group, and then continue looking at some of the other things that were there. Let's just try one more query.
你有木质的椅子吗？
So we're asking for some wooden chairs. Those have come up. There's a few wooden chairs.
我想要一套玻璃餐具。
Basically, all of the things from the IKEA catalogue we've added metadata to and made them kind of queryable within the interface here. If you click on one of those, you can actually then get more information, you can buy it, you can also bookmark it. So if you add it to a list, we've added that item. And so the idea is that you browse things before you go to the store, and then when you actually are ready to go to the store, you can use your list and find the location of where those items are. There are also a few other things that are useful in the store. A question that apparently comes up all the time is like, where are the toilets or the bathroom? You can ask the bot that, and it will present you a map with those things. You can click this little question mark in the bottom left at any time and check the status of what you were browsing for. So we were looking for something for the living room in a modern style, in cloth, with a budget of 1,000. And again, on the back end, this is all tied in. And there's home, help, and various other features that are available here. So all of the items that were shared can go in with WeChat. You can share them into a group. There's the sofa that I was just looking at. If we click on that sofa, you can open it up. You can actually look through it, and you could purchase it at at this point, if there was purchasing available, or go back and talk to our consultant about those products again. So that's a little quick overview of the potential IKEA chatbot. Thank you very much.